Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm doing this evening festive luxurious makeup using all the new products that I bought recently for my kit. And I'll give you some comments and impressions about these products. Let's go! First of all, I applied some skincare products behind the scenes and then I start with primer. It is not new, but I really like using it with matte foundations because it smoothes out all the uneven areas on the skin, helping the foundation just sit perfectly. And I'm gonna try this foundation for the first time, and I decided to use both shades just to see how they look. The light one matched perfectly my model, and I applied it in the central part of the face, while with the darker one I defined the contour areas and gave face a bit more dimension. And what can I say as a first impression? Right now it looks much more natural than I thought. Then I applied one of my favorite concealers for camera. These are Makeup Forever HD. They are mattifying but not too heavy under the eyes, and I mixed two neutral shades, lighter one and a darker one, just to get the perfect match. And I applied it with one of my favorite concealer brushes. It's very dense and it gives a perfect blend. Then I applied a liquid blush. I wanted to try this one for so long and it turned out to be really transparent. It's almost invisible on the camera, but it's very beautiful and it looks so pretty for daily makeup. Then I applied cream highlighter, and I am really doubting about it because it's just not visible and it didn't do anything in this case. Maybe I applied too little. Then I powdered the face and I started applying the powder products. This blush is also new, and look at this beautiful coral shade. But despite that it's a baked and very soft, light diffusing product, this brush, which is also new by the way, didn't work so well for me. As you can see, it left a spot of color and now this brush is just a decoration. But I totally fell in love with the shade of this blush. Highly recommend. And my next favorite is this loose powder. It's white, doesn't have any color, and it can be used for baking or for just fixing the central area of the face, and it gives the skin an amazing Photoshop effect, very smooth and very blurred. I am done with the skin and I think the final result looks pretty good. What do you think? Write in the comments. And I'm moving on to the eyes. First applying cream eyeshadows as a base, and look at this luxurious color. Wow, I love it. And it will work as a base with any other eyeshadow. And next, I'm defining the model's eye shape and the eye crease with this soft bronze pencil. It's also new and it's from Wycon. An amazing Italian brand that is very affordable, and this pencil is actually super blendable and it turned out to be so soft, so easy to blend. I am really surprised. Next I'm taking this eyeshadow palette. It's also new in my kit and I start with this soft tender color. And I have to say, it looks just magical on the eyes and it blends out like heaven. As well as this darker brown shade that I used in the outer corner of the eye. It blended out effortlessly, almost without me. And the shades are amazing. I am totally in love with how they look on camera as well as in real life. Highly recommend to try. And then I lined the lash line with a long staying brown pencil and softened the line a little bit with a brush just to get this smoke. And what can I say? The pencil doesn't work so well on top of other products, I mean particularly this pencil, so I would rather use a long-staying Inglot liner and then would smoke it out right away. Next, I am applying this wonderful glitter from another new palette for me. This is from Makeup by Mario, a makeup artist. Yes, this palette is something else. I wanted it so bad for so long. And what can I say? You can see this glitter is just magical. Its particles are just so tiny and gives an absolutely magical effect on the eyes. And then I added the matte dark brown eyeshadow on top of the pencil that I used before on the lash line. And on the lips I am applying one of the most beautiful lip pencils that I've ever tried, and it's really so worth it. And I applied a light shade of lipstick and lip gloss on top because I wanted to try a light lip look. And I did some touch-ups and the brows, mascara behind the scenes, and also applied this setting mist that I also used as a skincare before. And this is how the makeup looks. Please let me know in the comments if this format of video was useful and interesting for you. What do you think about this makeup? Would you wear it, and where would you wear it? And please let's leave a lot of applause in the comments for my model Liza. I think she's incredible. And Liza, if you're watching, thank you so much for your trust, support and time. And I wish you happy holiday season, a lot of parties, and hopefully this video inspired you to try something new. See you in the next one. Ciao!